guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. So we're gonna get right into this video. We're gonna do the false kiss lashes, the lashes that goes underneath your eyelashes. See, it says the new way to lash and all that other stuff. So people have been doing this, but I guess they just now playing catch up. Usually people cut the strips of lashes and put it underneath their eyelashes, but they have some that's already cut, so why not try it? So I didn't get the whole kit. I just got the lashes. The whole kit comes with the what are these? The tweezers. But the tweezers is shaped like a different kind of shape, and with the bonding glue that you swipe your lashes with. So I didn't get the whole kit. I'm not going to use, obviously I'm not going to use that stuff, but I'm going to use my tweezers that I have and also my bonding glue, because I just feel like this will work better and it will last a little longer. So what I'm going to do is just take these baby out the box. Have instructions right here, which I really don't need them, but for the video's sake, I'm gonna show you guys the instructions. See, it comes with the applicator. I'm gonna try. Right here, it's showing that it comes the lashes, the bond. Right here, the one I was talking about, like mascara, and then a sealer, and then with this little tweezer thing right there, if you get the whole thing. This is what they look like. Let's open this part. So I'm guessing these go on the left eye and this go on the right eye. So I'm just gonna open my glue and put some on here. Start on my left eye, of course. Hold on. There's something. Oh. I didn't take that part off. Duh. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So we're gonna start from. Is this the inner or the outer?
Are you serious?
We're gonna start from the outer lash. I think that's it. Yeah, because that's in, that's out. I got it. I got it. We're gonna start from the outer lash. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take it. Dip it in here. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Let me get my mirror. Okay, guys, I'm gonna use my mirror right here. Take the next one off. Dip it. Dip it good. Okay, I think that's enough. to get the front part. The next one. Uh-oh. Okay, it's on there. Oh, shit. Okay, put the next one on. Oh. Okay, I have one more to put on this side. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay, this is what the first one looked like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and I'm gonna speed the video up since you already saw me do this one. Now sing it to me. Okay guys, so now I'm finished putting the lashes on, and this is how they look. So now that I'm finished putting on the lashes, the only thing I will say about the lashes are that they don't look like you have anything on unless you get close up. I'm used to the more dramatic look of lashes, but natural look is good to have. So basically they look like my eyelashes. Is what they look like, and I like it, but this is like a everyday look. But if I was to go out somewhere, I would get more dramatic lashes, and they probably do have more dramatic lashes. I just so happened to pick up the what kind is this? KFCL01. That's what it says in the corner here. But is this the natural look? Oh, lengthening wisp. So, excuse me, I didn't get any dramatic kind. Next time I will get dramatic kind. I like this method because, like I said, it looks like my lashes. So, good job, Kiss. And it was fast. But one thing I would say, make sure that you make sure you level out the lashes good, because if you can tell over here, it comes a little farther over into my inner eye than this one does. But if you're just looking at me, you can't tell. And if you are a beginner, do not use the bunning, because you can get it in your eyes, and we don't want that. I need to wipe this glue from underneath my eyes. It can get in your eye. We don't want that. And plus, I just think the lash bundle and then the sealer would be a lot easier. Next time, I'm going to get the lash. What is it? Next time, I'm going to get the bun and the sealer to see how you use that. But this, it was fast and easy for me because I'm used to putting on lashes. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below on more videos you would like for me to do. Please subscribe and share this video. Bye.